to a new OBS Ford Ranger video, and today we're gonna do some like cosmetic touch-ups to the truck, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get to the truck right now. As the sun is actually almost about to set, I need to get some stuff done to this truck, just to get it done, because I don't want it to be, I'm trying to rebuild this truck. I'm trying to make this truck look good for 2025, 2026. So, see this rust right here? A little rusty right here. Just, honestly, the bedside, the rockers are clean. Bedside, both bedsides are kind of rusty, but I'm gonna, so when it gets warmer, like maybe in March, I'm planning on just unscrewing these plastic liners, and I'm gonna reset them and make sure like this is, like I'm gonna see that, like it can be unscrewed, and it's just like, I don't know, it's like it was put in or installed like a weird way, and it's kind of wonky. So I'm gonna try to fix it, and during like March when it's a little bit warmer, because for the next couple days it's actually supposed to be pretty cold. So I'm gonna record a couple videos today on my truck so I can get them out to you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna unscrew these and screw them back in, and I'm gonna make them not stick out like this in March. And I have Bondo for the truck, so I'm gonna sand it down, do all the stuff I need to do to it, and I'm gonna Bondo this rust up. There's a little patch right there, some rust right there, minimal, and then this is just a scratch, which, I mean, yeah, fender bender, it's okay. That's clean, no rust. I'm gonna try to Bondo some of this, but maybe I'll leave it as is, because every truck has its own dings and dents. Right there could easily have some Bondo, right there too. I'm gonna redo this fender too. They're all just sticking out a little bit, but it should be fine when I get fixed. And I don't know, I'll probably just sand that down and make it look smoother. But yep, let's get on to the main topic of today's video. First up, look at these. These are some chrome Cobra valve caps, and what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? I think I'm gonna put them on there. Let's see how they look. This is what the back of the packaging says. Yep, and let's install them, shall we? Okay, sorry for the wind, guys. Today the wind is kind of, bro, ain't no way. There we go. Yeah, these are all like frozen on there. I'm gonna keep these valve caps too, just because you never know when I want to swap them back out. And there we go. Okay, so you know how like some of the older Fords have like Cobra SVT V8 engines, like the Cobra engines? Hear me out. I think this is gonna look kind of cool on the truck. Okay, that's kind of cool. Let's get these other three added onto the truck. Got this bad boy off too. Oh yeah, bro, why can't I get this one on there? I'm putting it at an angle. There we go. There we go. There we go. One second. So, at first I heard something. Wait, I can't tell. Okay. So yeah, at first I heard like a little like I don't know, hissing sound, but I'm guessing the air was just, I don't know, something was poking. But that one's on there. I'm gonna go quick listen to this one, make sure. Nope, don't hear anything, so let's go install the last two. I'm gonna record that, or sorry, I'm gonna install the last two by myself, not on video. Next thing I wanna do right now is I kinda wanna clean out like this little area of my truck, because, by the way, ice scraper, pretty nice. And then my keys over here. these directions to the seat covers. These are garbage because I did successfully partially install the seat covers. I'm bringing these gloves home too. But I'm gonna go throw these like directions away. Got the fuse panel, and I'm gonna put this in the back seat so it's out of my way. There we go. Let me be honest. You guys don't want to see this. Let me, I don't know, maybe time lapse this? Maybe not. One thing I will show you is, great. Well, this is the ice scraper that came with the truck, and then there's some extra like old-fashioned light bulbs that last forever apparently, and then you got your cigarette lighter. But yeah, I thought I was gonna. There we go. Come on, bro. It's because like this lock, it needs to be like reset. There you go. There we go. As long as you like, so every time you close this, I think they designed it to where you need to reset this lock and pull it back to where it was, and then it closes perfectly fine. The ice scraper is gonna go under the seat because I won't need that until next winter when I'm actually driving. So perfectly fine there. And we got some clips off Amazon, these little red push pins, because I'm gonna try to push these, possibly. Yeah, it might work. RIP Ladybug. Alrighty, so here are our push pins. Let's start kind of trying to like install them. Here we go. So, bro, wait, is this gonna work? It might work. Let me see. Come on. Come on, work. Okay, well, let me see. This was better in my brain. This is a better idea in my brain. Bruh. That's crazy. I don't know then. Where's a spot where it actually needs it? I don't know. These seats could probably... Oh, crap. Not good. Not good at all. Not good at all. Oh, my God. Not good at all. Oh, God. Hey, at least it's a YouTube video, you know? You guys are getting to watch the raw content of me trying to not stab myself with these push pins. They're honestly pretty nice, but I don't know, I just thought they would work easier. But this is depressing. Not really, but like this is just crazy. I'm gonna start the video and start recording when I get this done. Real quick, I cleaned it up a little bit. This goes back in there, but the trim piece for the dash is at my house right now because I was just kind of washing it off and cleaning it, make sure it's all good. But don't forget, guys, I didn't forget. I'm ordering the fuses soon. So yeah, don't forget, I'm ordering the fuses soon. But let me go find some scissors, and unfortunately, in another video, I'm gonna have to do this in another video. I'm thinking of getting those like, just like those glue, like double-sided glue patches, and I'm just gonna glue this, like, cause it just needs some more like support. So as long as I get some glue in there, because this side's actually perfect. This side needs it though. As long as I get some more glue in there, like the double-sided patches, I think it will work perfectly fine. So, well, let's go get some scissors. Okay, so I did some improvements, and I put some of these in this, like, in the seat. It's not going to ruin the seat, by the way, but I put them in the seat and made it so I won't be able to sit on. I won't sit on those either. But it's like perfect because like this now works. It works perfectly fine. I'm gonna put these back inside and put these right there because that's where I've been putting all my stuff I need to add to my truck, and parts and tools and stuff. But I could try to finagle this stuff maybe together. I don't know. Look at this. It's like mud, grime, ugh. And then I'll eventually put some blue on that, like I said. But yeah, looks a lot better. I'm gonna put some up here too, as well. There we go. As long as it's just in there, you know, and not gonna like, it's not gonna like just fall apart. I'll probably leave the seat covers in here when I go to sell the truck, because they are decently affordable. I could buy a new set for my next truck after I'm done using this. But looks pretty good now. I'm gonna close these up, and the seat covers are perfectly. This is like my part 2 kind of video, but I did do some other stuff to my truck today too in this video. But I fixed my seats. They're all fine. They're not gonna fall apart now, or not my seats, but like my seat covers. They're not gonna look wonky or anything. I'll put those over there, and I might be heading out of here soon. But yeah, look at this. It's not like it's not coming up. It's like durable, like yeah, I don't know. Looks good though, and it's gonna prevent this from like deteriorating anymore. So it will have to go through the seat cover first, luckily. So yep, it's kind of getting colder though, so I'm probably almost out of here. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy. And yeah, I really do hope you guys enjoy these videos. I appreciate it if you do. And how about a cold start at the end of the video? Never did that before. Let's try it out. Of course, it's not like totally dark, but this is how they look. LEDs looking pretty nice. Got the taillights, which are perfectly fine. The interior, marker lights. All the marker lights work. Go in here for a second. Works perfectly fine. It's brighter in here now. You got your dome light LED, looks really nice. Woo! Those babies are bright. I'm gonna shut her off now. Yeah, the seat thing works perfectly fine now. Really nice to have. Turn the headlights off. All the dome lights and stuff are off. And here we go. We're gonna crank her off. There she goes. If I can bump this up, and see, look, I bumped that up into there. Keys out. That wraps up this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and press the subscribe button if you haven't already. yeah, hope you guys enjoy this another video on my 1988 Ford Ranger XLT OBS Clifford, and I'll see you all in the next video. Now, quick thing for you guys, the next video, it's gonna probably be maybe another week before another video. I've been really consistent with these videos every single week. I want to get 2 videos every single week, but it's just been so cold recording outside in this. It's not fun, but I like coming over here and seeing my truck. So if you guys do enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like, and maybe I can get another video out this week, or possibly maybe next week. I don't know. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.